Hello everyone, this is Zenea here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this line art logo in Affinity Designer. This logo is made out of this shape, which is made of several bubbles, and then it is duplicated and rotated several times to create this line art effect. Alright, so to get started we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimensions. And then we go to the Margin tab and we uncheck Include Margin and we click on Create. And then we make sure that snapping and snap to sprint is enabled. And then we take the star tool, we set the fill to none, we leave the stroke as black, and we set the stroke width to 2 points. And here I will set the number of points to 8. So this is going to be the number of bubbles that we will have in our figure. Alright, and then starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the 1:1 proportions, we create a star of about 1400 pixels in dimensions. And then we need to adjust its settings to make it more round. So first I will increase the inner radius to around 80%. And then I will increase the inner circle to around 40–50%. And also I will increase the inner circle to around 50–60%. So I'll set the inner circle to 55. And the inner radius to 84. And now I'm satisfied with the figure. So we are going to use it to duplicate and rotate it to create the rest of the logo. So first we go here to enable Transform Origin to have the rotation center in the middle of the composition. And then we press on Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel. We check on Duplicate. And I will set the number of copies to 5 to have 6 shapes overall. And I'll set the rotation center to 3 degrees. And then we'll click on OK. So this creates the logo. And then if you want to add a gradient to it, we press on Ctrl A to select all the elements. And then on Ctrl G to group them together. And then we take the gradient tool. We set the context to stroke, as the figure is stroke only. And I'll set the type to linear. And I'll draw a gradient from the top left to the bottom right. And I'll set the top color to dark orange. And the bottom color to dark purple. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create this line art logo in Affinity Designer. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!